Hey there! So glad you're here watching. Coming up in this vlog, 41 minus 41, which equals 0, times 41 minus 41 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication. 41 times 41 equals 1681. So we have 41 minus 1681 minus 41, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 41 minus 1681, which equals minus 1640. So we have minus 1640 minus 41, which equals minus 1681. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe and share the video.